We have a Glastron GXL 205 FS. Been stored inside the whole time on a rack. Trailer's been completely stored inside. Very clean boat. I see nothing in marred the boat or anything. People were very meticulous in taking care of the boat. If you notice, a very clean layout. Everything is stored in certain places. The seats in the front lay the cushions. It also has a pole where these flip over, and there's a tall pole with a chair. You have foot controls. Fish finder included. Very beautiful layout. Seats and cushions are in great shape. You would be very happy with this 2008 Glastron 205.